Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Zazen Meditation. In this video, we will introduce the practice of Zazen, its benefits, and a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Let's begin. Zazen meditation is a form of seated meditation that originated in Zen Buddhism. It is a simple yet powerful practice that can help you achieve inner peace and clarity of mind. The benefits of Zazen meditation are numerous. It can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, improve focus and concentration, and increase feelings of well-being and happiness. Now, let's get started with the practice of Zazen meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit, preferably on a cushion or a mat. Sit cross-legged with your back straight, hands resting on your knees, and your eyes half closed. Focus your attention on your breath. Breathe naturally and count each inhalation and exhalation, from 1 to 10. If you lose count, start over from 1. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Don't judge or criticize yourself, just observe your thoughts and let them go. Continue to practice for 5 to 10 minutes, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Congratulations! You have completed your first Zazen meditation practice. Remember to practice regularly to experience the full benefits of this powerful meditation technique.